Here we are in Joshua Tree National Park. It's the 27th of December 2019. There was a big snowfall last night. I'm not sure how many inches. I'm guessing around 10 inches, maybe more. That's Queen Mountain behind me with the sun on it. This is looking down Geology Tour Road, down the Queen Valley. Here's another view of the snowy mountains of Joshua Tree National Park. This is looking towards the northeast. Lovely day to go camping. So you can see on the picnic table about the amount of snow there. It looks like it's approaching a foot or so. Jumbo Rocks Campground. Entrance. By the time you get down here, there's nothing. So what a difference between Jumbo Rocks and here. About a foot up there at Jumbo Rocks, nothing down here.